Hey everyone, this is Patrick Wilson at the Richmond Times-Dispatch. Have you ever made a FOIA request in Virginia to a government agency and they either didn't provide any records or ignored you, or they jerked you around, or maybe what you did get didn't seem like it fully would comply with Virginia FOIA? Today I'm going to tell you how any citizen or journalist in Virginia can take that issue before a judge in a general district court and have a judge review it and find out if you're right. First, let me tell you about a situation that I recently dealt with. As a reporter, we cover state government, and there's a new governor, a lot of interest in what he's doing and what's going on in the state. One of the issues that's been getting attention is the Virginia Department of Education. And after learning that they had a relationship and were getting some help from a nonprofit in Washington, D.C., I made a FOIA request to the Virginia Department of Education for communications between some of their officials and people at this nonprofit. And the department turned over records related to my request, and they withheld 5 emails as a working paper of the governor, which the law allows them to do. But the law, the Virginia FOIA, also requires that they describe the particular subject matter of the records that they were withholding, and they hadn't done that. And when I asked, their response was, "We feel like what we've given you is all we're going to give you." So what I did, which is something any citizen or journalist in Virginia can do, is I took this issue before a district court judge in Richmond. On the website of the nonprofit Virginia Coalition for Open Government is a blank petition that you can go find, and you can use this for your filing if you were to do this yourself. The website for the Coalition for Open Government is opengovva.org, opengovva.org. And the petition is there. There's also a guidebook as far as how to fill it out. And in my case, what I did is file it a week ago Friday on April 1st. The filing fee was about $66. And I'm basically laying out what happened and what I would like the judge to do about it. The law says that if you give 3 working days notice to the defendant, in this case, the government agency that you feel has violated FOIA, that your case shall be set for a hearing within 7 days of the filing. So today was day 7 on my filing, and a general district court judge in Richmond heard the information. She ruled that the Virginia Department of Education needed to provide some more detail than it had in its response to my Freedom of Information Act request. So this is something, like I said, any citizen or journalist in Virginia can do. The Virginia law that explains where to file a case, if you wanted to do that, is in the FOIA 2.2-3713. It's called Process for Enforcement of this chapter. And if anyone out there has questions about public records, FOIA, how to do a FOIA request, feel free to email me anytime. I'm Patrick Wilson at the Times-Dispatch, and my email is pwilson@timesdispatch.com, PWILSON@timesdispatch.com. Good luck.